Ever feel like your brain is stuck on repeat, replaying every detail of a situation, stressing about what could happen and ultimately getting nowhere? Yeah, we have all been there. That is the murky world of overthinking. But before we dive into how to escape that mental loop, let's define this beast we are facing. Overthinking is basically obsessing over a situation or thought. It's like that annoying song stuck in your head. Except instead of a catchy tune, it's filled with worry, doubt, and endless what ifs. Sound familiar? You might be overthinking if you find yourself constantly reliving past events, wishing you could rewind and change things, or maybe you are a champion catastrophizer. Imagine worst case scenarios for the future, even if they are highly unlikely. Stuck in analysis paralysis, that's another classic overthinking symptom, where you can't make decisions because you are overthinking every single option. And let's not forget dwelling on mistakes or negative comments, replaying them in your head and feeling guilty or stressed. If you are nodding alone, don't worry, you are definitely not alone. Overthinking is super common, but it doesn't have to control your life. Here's the good news. There are tools to help you silence an overthinking monster and reclaim your peace of mind. So, what are they? First up, challenge those thoughts. Are your worries realistic? Are you focusing on the negative instead of the positive possibilities? Question those thoughts and replace them with more balanced perspectives. Think of it like fact-checking your inner critic. Next, set some boundaries. Schedule specific worry periods instead of letting overthinking consume your entire day. When the time's up, actively shift your focus elsewhere. Maybe go for a walk, call a friend, or do something you enjoy. It's time to break free from that mental loop. And speaking of breaking free, mindfulness is your new best friend. Meditation, deep breathing, or even focusing on your senses can ground you in the present and stop your mind from spiraling. Imagine it like hitting the pause button on your overthinking machine. Sometimes the best way to break the cycle is to simply distract yourself. Get active, do something you enjoy, or reach out to someone you care about. Distraction can be a powerful tool to hit the refresh button on your brain. Remember, you are not in this alone. Overthinking is common, but it's not who you are. By incorporating these tools and being patient with yourself, you can learn to manage your thoughts and live a more present, peaceful life. So, let's go out there and conquer those overthinking dragons.